How to edit a PDF on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit any PDF on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to simply navigate your PDF. So if you have this PDF anywhere else such as on WhatsApp or email, all you need to do is simply open the PDF over there, click on this option here at the bottom left. And then you're going to search for this option that says save to files and simply select the folder where you wish to save this PDF. So once you have added this PDF to your folder, what you need to do is simply head over to your App Store and download the Microsoft Office. So you can simply go to the App Store, download this one that is Microsoft 365 Copilot, or you can also have Microsoft 365 Office. So once it's downloaded, you'll be redirected to the home page. So you can simply head over to My Files if you have the file already on your Outlook. So you can simply import that from here, or you can click on My Device, or you can also go to My Files, simply select the PDF, click on this option here at the bottom left. You'll be able to see apps over here. So you're going to simply scroll all the way to the right, click on these three dots. And then you're going to search for this one that is M365 Copilot. Once you do so, you'll be able to see that that PDF has been imported over here. So what you can do is click on it and you'll be able to see the PDF over here. So if you wish to edit this PDF, you can simply click on edit over here and then you can click on text and you can edit it the way you want. And if you wish to convert this PDF into Word and then edit, you can simply click on convert to Word. And you can convert your PDF into Word. It will be completely editable. You can remove the existing text and just replace it with any text you want. So that is basically how you can edit PDF on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.